Hi guys, today I will show you how to create a bootable Kali Linux on USB. First you need to download this software. I will put link for download in the description. You will need at least 80 gigabytes USB drive. I will use 16. And then click on select and select your Kali Linux ISO file. Click open. Leave these settings as default and select file system and TFS. Leave the rest as default and click on start. Write in ISO image mode, click OK and click OK. Now we need to wait for software to finish. Okay, this program has finished. Now let's see, is it really working. Okay, I will boot now Kali Linux from my USB drive. As you can see, it boot into Kali Linux boot menu. Now I will live boot Kali Linux. As you can see, it works perfectly. If you like this video, leave a like and subscribe for more videos.